Guys, today I will be removing the alarm, the pull station. I will be putting up the new one. So to do that is you need to get your thing. So since the alarm doesn't work, doesn't do anything. But let's go ahead and reset the alarm. And then go get the screw. And let's see how the alarm works. Oops, drop the screw. Find it and come back. So, yeah. And, oh, there's a screw right here. Let's go ahead and take down the alarm. So, take it down. Is to open it, and there we go. You'll see the screws in it. Hold on. Trying to find the screwdriver. Okay, there it is. And then go ahead and take your screwdriver, and you go ahead and remove it. Throw the screw over. Hold on. Just wait a second. Let me just put the 10 to zoom in and find the screws. See this right here? You just screw this in. You'll see the screw in it. Take a little bit and here's that button. Okay, and next, take another screw, and then you gotta see the things in there. You see it? Oops, the T-bar already got unscrewed, so. Okay, and then, alright, there you go. And the alarm is unscrewed. Okay, and all back to normal. And then, let's put the alarm back where it belongs. So since we don't need this T-bar anymore, we're going to go ahead and put it down. And hope we're going to see you in the next video. Is installing the alarm. The Gentex Commander 3 to a light switch. It would be a good idea.